make a straight. So we're going to make a straight line, like that.
Straight line.
Yeah, straight line.
In the middle.
Yeah. Do it like that.
You see?
Because it is the head. I'll just make that a bit more bigger.
How's that?
Yes, good. And then make another one the same. Okay.
It's not straight. Hang on. I need to fix that.
It's a challenge. It's a challenge. And then we finish it off by doing...
Connect them together.
Yeah. Now we need this black one. Make a tiny mouth. How straight can you do it? Okay, it's diagonal. This. Straight line. I did a mistake.
Yours is not straight.
Now it is. Okay, and now make the same on the other side.
On the other side.
Uh-huh.
It looks like I'm gonna win this, guys. Oh my god.
It's not about how straight it is.
It's about how good it is, like mine.
Okay.
Looks like a skirt now.
Look, it doesn't look like a skirt anymore.
Should I connect them? Yeah, connect them.
High heels or shoes? Okay.
Just trainers now. Trainers? Is that trainers?
Yes.
Looking good. Okay, that one. Let me see. Another one.
And then...
I don't have enough space for that, so maybe I'll just do another line here.
Okay, good idea.
Whoa.
Okay, now that looks good.
Top, yeah.
Yeah, on top. Oh my gosh, you did that so long. You did that so long!
Oh!
You did that so long! It's okay though. And then you can do this across in there. Yeah, do a cross for the so it looks like a lesson. You can do the pockets on the jeans, which are just squares.
Squares on the side.
Squares on the side. You have to go like that.
Ding, ding.
Dum,
Say
dum.
boom.
Like that diagonal bit. Straight! Okay. And then we have short sleeves or long sleeves?
Short sleeves.
Okay. Do you want a cardigan? And now for the eyes. So it's really delicate. You will not like.
She's in that. So basically just a rectangle there.
Yeah. Don't forget about the eyelashes. Done.
Yeah.
And then to
And
do
then
more
just like,
yeah, like squares inside. Oh, inside. Yeah.
you see?
Let me see. Let me see.
Just
So wait for me. Mine looks like a nail. You want long hair or short hair? Or middle?
just same as our hair.
Okay, same as our hair. No. That really. I don't know if you can actually do a lightning bolt. On it like a rainbow thing. Do you want it? Perfect. Do it on both sides. Well, it looks like a nerd. There's like this thingy where there's a hole in the jeans. Here. Like a hole in the jeans. You said yes, so. Zoom, 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 zoom. Okay. What's your colour of the jeans for? Is it going to be navy blue? That's the hashtag thing.
Yeah, mommy.
Because I like mine.
Hashtag mommy is green. Hashtag mommy is green.
You can't do two though. Pink, where's that peachy pink I did there? Okay, this side is peachy pink. How Hashtag nerd is best.
Which one is better?
Which one is better? Nerd is best. So, where is that colour? I think mine is cuter.
Let me see. Aww. Aww, that's cute.
You said M for mommy.
I like that. So I think you're the winner for today, and maybe another day I will be the winner.
Maybe.
If you think I'm the winner, comment down below.
If you think I'm the winner, comment down below. Oh, I have a really good idea, but
What?
I have a really good idea. I was going to have headphones, but I didn't think of that earlier.
Headphones. I can do headphones.
Yeah, I can do headphones too. No, I want mine to be like a microphone type.
I can do headphones. Very easy.
Yeah, I'm going to do mine like a microphone thing.
Look at mine. Isn't black cool?
I'm going to show you mine. And that's like a... Look at mine.
But it's cute.
Look at mine. And then it's like that much in the air. It's like that much in the air.
Did you just hit me on the head?
Bye.
Bye.
Nerd is best. Nerd is best. Nerd is best.
I'm the winner. Bye.